Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name Master Traveler. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a hotel reservation without paying any money. Alright, so let's get started. This is the site. I don't know how you are going to pronounce or mention it. So let's just copy the website into our browser. Okay, let's copy it and paste it into our browser. Yes, here we go. Very good. Now this is it. We have the site opened, but the language is Espanol. So let's put it in English. All right. So you can see we have flights, we have hotels, we have cars, but our interest is in the hotels. Okay, the hotel reservation. So depending on where you are going, you input. So I'm going to Alberta, Canada, or Edmonton. So I'll hit on the search button for it to search. So we have a whole lot of places. Okay, we have a whole lot of places. Let's input it again. Okay. So for the purpose of these tutorials, let's select this so you can navigate. We have June, we have July. So when are we going to have the trip? Let's say 30th. I'm going to need the room on 30th, and I would check out on the 28th of July. So let's say approximately 1 month. All right. Now we have rooms. Number of rooms, 1, and the number of people going to sleep in the room. I'm the only person going, so 1 adult. You hit on the done button, then you search. So it's going to generate a whole lot of rooms for you. Yes. So kindly be patient for it to load. Now here we go. Here we go. We have 4 Points by Sheraton Edmonton South. So you just browse through the available options. Don't forget to filter it. Okay, so we are going to select at the pay. We are going to select the pay at hotel option. Okay, so we have this $81.75 per night. All right, so for the purpose of these tutorials, let's select this. Let's select this free cancellation and then pay at the hotel. So anytime you want to cancel, you can cancel. So you hit it. All right, so this hotel pet is allowed. Pet is allowed. Good. So here we go. 1 queen bed. Now let's enter our details. Let's enter our details as it appears on our traveling passport. So Mr. First name Frank, last name, that is the family name, Wisu. Then you enter your debit card details. You enter your debit card details. So I'm going to enter one of my debit cards. I'm going to enter it. If you don't have a debit card or a credit card, you can create one online. You can create a virtual card. Okay, I will make a video on it very soon, how to get a debit card online. So you input the cardholder's name and then the billing information. All right, so for the purpose of these tutorials, let's select the United Arab Emirates. Then we input the address, the town or city, state not necessary, 00971, billing phone number for the purpose of these tutorials. Okay, and then you make sure the email address is valid, because that is the place you are going to receive your letter or the reserved bookings. Okay, so you hit on book now. You hit on book now and you wait patiently. Now, please wait. All right. Your hotel reservation request has been successfully received. You will be contacted shortly by a customer service representative. This is your reference code. Check your email for all the details. So let's quickly log into our email and check. So once you check and it's been received, you print it and then you submit it together with your visa. Okay, I have a whole lot of messages that I'm not attending to. All right, so here we go. Okay, it's been received. So we have the main guest, Frank Owusu. Make sure you input a correct name as it appears on your traveling passport. Okay, so this is the check-in date and then the check-out date, the number of nights you are going to spend there, number of people accompanying you. So you print this as your proof of accommodation. This, you print it as your proof of accommodation. In my next video, I'll make a tutorial on how to get a free flight reservation. So stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video you get the notice and watch it. Stay tuned.